Hey guys, welcome to this video. I'm gonna show you in this video how you can integrate your GetResponse account to your ClickFunnels account. Now, why do you need to do this? The reason is because I'm gonna show you this. This is a sample funnel I have just for testing purposes. Okay, it's like an e-commerce template funnel, and I'm gonna show you like when somebody gets this pop-up and they're gonna click on like enter their name here and their email address, they're gonna click this button. Now what happens when they click this button, you're gonna get their email address, but you're gonna get it inside of ClickFunnels. You can use ClickFunnels own like email services, but I really don't recommend you do that because they're gonna be limited by their options, and you're going to be using ClickFunnels just to create your own funnels and not send emails, right? So in another video I recommended that you use GetResponse for starting out. Now there are like many other email providers like MailChimp and Aweber and Infusionsoft, and you can check all of these, but what I found the most budget friendly is GetResponse. So you can check out this other video. I'm gonna put the link below for the other video, but for now I want you to understand that when they click on this button, the only way you're gonna get their email inside of GetResponse is by integrating GetResponse. So the first thing we need to do is just go back from this funnel, and we're gonna go into integrations. Okay, from the main from the profile. So I'm in my integration settings, and as you can see, I've already had GetResponse integrated. Now I'm gonna do the process another time for you just to see. You're gonna click this yellow button, add new integration, and you can really see how many integrations you can use inside of ClickFunnels. So they have all of these other services online that you can integrate to. Okay, and most of them are like email. You can integrate Shopify, you can integrate like a whole bunch of software, but what we're interested is in email, and you can check which email providers you can integrate. The one we're using is GetResponse, so I'm going to click on GetResponse, and it's gonna ask for the integration nickname. I'm just gonna name this test integration, and it's gonna ask for the API key. Now this API key, you're gonna get it from inside your GetResponse account. Now once you're inside your GetResponse account, you just hover the mouse over your profile right here, profile image. You just click on integrations and API. Once you're there, you hit the API button, and it's gonna give you the API key. This is your default API key. You're gonna use this API key for this account anywhere you want. Okay, so this is like your account identity for softwares. Now I just copy and paste this key and add the integration, and that's it. All right, so this is basically it. You can check out the integration, you can update the everything from here, but for now I'm gonna delete this because it's my main ClickFunnels account. I'm gonna delete this because I'm already using the other one. Okay, so let's go back to funnels. So now we're back to the funnels page, and because we've set up the integration, you can just go into the settings, click on integrations, and just select the integration you want, which is this one, GetResponse. Select action, add to campaign, and they're gonna ask you for the list, so you can choose any random list. Okay, I'm gonna choose like my ClickFunnels list, and that's it. Okay, you're all set up. You have the integration set up. Now whenever someone just clicks on their adds their email address and name and clicks on this button, you're gonna automatically see him right here inside the list you chose. And if you have like your automation sequence up and running, they're gonna start receiving your emails, welcome emails automatically. So that's basically it for integrating your email to ClickFunnels. So I hope you like this video. I'll see you on the next one.